They will come, but I know that the sun will shine.
Hoy! Ano nangyayari sa'yo? Oh, wala. Ano nga kasi? Hindi mo na. Lolo. Parang alam mo ang problema. Ano kasi? Ganito kasi yun. Nalaman ko na lang yung crush mo, may gusto pala sa akin. Kaya alam niyo naman na gusto pa rin siya, di ba? Ang problema kasi nito, ang torpe na kasi. Yun ang problema ko. Ay, sis, yun lang pala. Pakinggan yung kwento ko. Alam ko na yan. Wait lang, pakinggan mo. Ganito kasi yun.
Sa isang relasyon, may iba't ibang story kung paano naging sila. Ang ikukwento ko ngayon ay tungkol sa isang lalaking ginawa ang lahat para sa kaisa-isang babaeng minahal niya. Siya si VJ. At siya naman si Zoe.
Please come in and just sit here
Hindi pa
for
nangyari
a
ang lahat
while.
ng to,
This is
nagsimula
my
sila noon
way
sa
of telling
mag-best friend.
you I need you
Mula high
in
school
my
hanggang
life. It's so
Palagi
cold
silang
without your
magkatabi-tabi.
touch. I've
Pareho
been
sila ng mga
dreaming
likes.
way too much.
Halos
Can we
araw-araw,
just
pinapatawan ni
turn
VJ
this
si Zoe.
into
Dahil
reality?
pakiramdam niya,
Cause
siya ang
I've been
pinakamasayang tao sa buong
thinking
mundo
about you
kapag siya ang
lately.
dahilan ng pagtawa
Maybe
ng kanyang
you could
minamahal.
save me.
Parang wala nang katapusan ang kanilang masasayang araw noon. Hanggang nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob si VJ na magtapat kay Zoe. Pero, isang hindi inaasang aksidente ang nangyari.
Teka. Ba't di ko pa yan alam? Tumahimik ka muna. Tapos?
I've been so strong for so
Naghintay si
long.
VJ na dumating si Zoe.
I could handle
Pinuntahan niya ito
everything.
sa kanilang bahay pero wala nang tao roon. Lahat ginawa na ni VJ pero hindi niya talaga nakita si Zoe. Sobrang nag-aalala na si VJ.
I can't see anything.
Sobrang saya ni VJ na nakita niya muli si Zoe. Pero
The day we met, frozen, I held my breath. Right from the start, I knew that I'd found the home for my heart. Beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave. How
di niya
can I
maintindihan kung
love
bakit ganoon si
when
Zoe sa kanya.
I'm afraid?
Nagtaka siya kung bakit parang hindi siya kilala ni Zoe.
Watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away.
Isang araw, mayroong kumausap kay VJ. Alam mo ba? Nung nagkaroon pala ng amnesia si Zoe. Kaya pala ganon si Zoe. Kaya, ang ginawa ni VJ, gumawa siya ng paraan upang mabalik lahat ng alaala ni Zoe. Pero sa bawat paglapit ni VJ, kapalit nun ay sakit na hindi talaga siya maalala ni Zoe.
Teka nga. Bakit? Ba't ba niya ito ginagawa lahat? Sino? Si BJ? Oo. Hindi mo ba talaga naaalala? Akalit. Mag-best friends kaya kayo. Ha? Oo nga.
nawala na siya ng pag-asa, naisipan niyang
I have died
pero
every day.
Mom! Naalala ko ng lahat!
Sure?
Oo!
Ready now. Bakit ka nandito?
Para kikinig ka!
Bakit?
Eh, basta! Eh, teka nga! Kasi ano?
Ano ba?
Eh, kasi... Eh, basta yun na yun! Teka! Kasi mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal kita!
Pagkat mahal kita, walang iba. Ikaw ang nais na laging makasama. I'll hold the door. Please come in and just sit here for a while. This is my way of telling you I need you in my life. It's so cold without your touch. I've been dreaming way too much. Can we just turn this into reality? 'Cause I've been thinking about you lately. Maybe you could save me from this crazy world we live in. And I know we could happen, 'cause you know that I've been feeling you. Storms, they will come, but I know that the sun will shine again. He's my friend, and he says that we belong together. I'll sing a song to break the ice. Just a smile from you would suffice. It's not me being nice, this is real tonight. 'Cause I've been thinking about you lately. Maybe you could save me from this crazy world we live in. And I...
At doon nagsimula ang love story ni Zoe at DJ, ang pangalawang yugto ng kanilang pagmamahalan.
Eh, ano sa sitwasyon mo ngayon?
Kasi, everything top of the class takes revive. So if the chances is already in your hands, grab it and accept whatever this response may be. Because chances like that comes once in a lifetime. Sa mga nakakita nito, sana nagbigay inspirasyon ito sa mga taong pag-ilaw niyo.
Yun. So, bukas na bukas kayo sabihin ko sa kanya. Gusto ko rin siya. Talagang bukas na talaga. Alam mo, gabi-gabi na. Halika na nga.
Okay lang. Sige.
Halika na nga.
Mga hindi mo nakakilala sa akin ako. Ako ka pala si Kisa, kapatid ni BJ.
I'll hold the door. Please come in and just sit here for a while. This is my way of telling you I need you in my life. It's so cold without your touch. I've been dreaming way too much. Can we just...
Excuse me, can I have your attention please for one more time? She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all because she kicks out your diet, baby. You don't have to slim down. Don't slim down. I love your curves and believe me, it is every pound. Stop your diet, come on, do it for me. Do it for me. I love you round, 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 'cause you're so sexy. She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she tastes like cake. Can I try it, baby? You don't have to be shy. Don't be shy. You seem to be on your own, and I'm wondering why. Why? Wondering why? Show me all that you've got. Do it for me. Do it for me. I love you round, 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 'cause you're so sexy. Oh, yes, she is. She tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she kicks. I'll be your sugar daddy, you'll be my sugar cane. With every sip I'm taking, you'll keep